show him what I got. Can't read mine, no, he can't read my poker face. She can't look like nobody. Poker face.
I ain't got no money. I ain't got no car to take you on a date. I can't even buy you flowers. But together we can be the perfect soulmates. Talk to me, girl.
Baby, it's alright now, you ain't got a flaw for me. Yeah, if we go, don't you can down, touch my love is free. We can work without the place, just you and me. Tug it out till we get it right. Baby, if you strip, you can get it together. I like you just the way you are.
I'm about to strip and I'm well equipped. Can you handle me the way I'm on?
I don't need the cheese or the cocky, boy, I like you just the way you are. Let me see you strip, you can get it together. I like that.
How about a big round of applause for the hottest bride you will ever meet, and a very handsome groom, Mr. and Mrs. Marin and Taylor McGowan, California's hottest new couple. Please put your hands together for Mr. and Mrs. John Ribeiro.
Everyone, please rise, put your hands together, and give me a big, loud welcome to California's hottest new couple, Mr. and Mrs. Frank Borba.
Now, everybody get up and make some noise for Aaron and George Gonzalez.
The red light of the sun slowly descending.
Dancing for the first time as husband and wife. Please put your hands together for Mr. and Mrs. Danny Martin.
It's never ending. We could fly, you and I, on a cloud, kissing. The wind plays with the leaves. The weather turns colder. But as long as we believe, love doesn't get older. We could fly.
To the first man in her life, her dad.
You and I, on a cloud, kissing.
All right, it's party time. I want everybody to come out here and join us. We are going to be celebrating this evening.
I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah. The naughty boys don't know how to act. Yeah. I'm thinking special, what's behind your back? Yeah. So turn around and I'll pick up the slack. Yeah. Take up this bridge. Come here, girl.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Come to the back.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
VIP.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Drinks on me.
Go ahead,
Let me
be
see
gone
what
with
you
it.
twerking
I know you want me. You know I want to.